Hi, I'm Ashley Whitely, Superintendent of Lakota Local Schools. I'm here at Lakota East High School getting ready to visit Mr. Penix's College Credit Plus Anatomy and Physiology class. College Credit Plus, otherwise known as CCP, is a wonderful way for students to not only get high school credit, but also college credit for their future employment or college opportunities. We're continuing to expand not only our AP offerings, but also our College Credit Plus opportunities. So I can't wait to see what they're learning. So let's go, Lakota.
And you can see the fibers of the xiphoid humerus running down to the xiphoid process.
Now I have a question.
Yeah.
Why this class? Why did you take CCP Anatomy and Physiology?
I want to be a doctor.
Okay, so that's a pretty, you got to understand the anatomy to be a doctor, right? That's so true. Have you always wanted to be a doctor?
Yeah.
What are you loving about Anatomy and Physiology CCP? What do you love about it?
I like that you get college credit from it.
Okay, so that's number one, right? It serves a dual purpose. What else?
Yeah, just learning about how the body. I feel like that's a good thing to know.
How it works, yeah?
Kind of just took classes to kind of figure out what I like.
Yeah, exposure, right? Do I like it? Do I not like it? Am I good at it? Am I not good at it?
Yeah.
I was just joking with that table back there. I'm not really good with blood, so I kind of knew medicine was not my thing.
I mostly just took this class to see if I would want to go into medicine.
I wanted to get a deep dive of everything. I was considering CP, but it wouldn't be as much.
Gotcha. So you wanted a good kind of exposure to all kinds of variety,
Yeah.
and then if you're going to do it, you want to go in depth and have that kind of robust experience.
Yeah.
All right, awesome.
I took this class because I wanted to go into veterinary medicine.
So a perfect connection.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect connection. Have you always wanted to be a veterinarian?
Yeah.
I had a great time talking with our students today about why they took College Credit Plus Anatomy and Physiology. Yes, it's about the high school credit, but it's really about the learning about the content and learning about themselves and how they can use what they're learning today in their futures. It was such a great time to hear about all of our current offerings, but also how we continue to expand those offerings for our students and their future opportunities.